how to turn off location sharing on X and keep your location private. This tutorial will show you the quickest way to disable location access on your account. First, open the X app on your phone and tap on your profile picture in the top left corner. Now select Settings and Privacy. Next, tap on Privacy and Safety. Scroll down until you find the Location Information section, then tap on Precise Location. Here, you'll see that location access is already enabled. Simply turn this option off to stop X from accessing and sharing your location data. According to X's settings, you can disable precise location directly from this menu at any time. If you still want extra privacy, you can also remove location permission for the X app from your phone settings. Go to Device Settings, then go to App, tap on it. After that, go tap on App Management, find X in your apps list, go to Permissions. After that, go Location, tap on it, and disable Don't Allow Location Access. That's it. Your location will no longer be shared through X, helping improve your privacy and control over your account. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more X app tutorials and privacy tips.